Well, a highly contagious respiratory virus has been detected in Eau Claire County. The county health department says several cases of pertussis or whooping cough have been identified. It starts with a low-grade fever, runny nose and cough, which then worsens over a week, leading to breathing difficulties and/or vomiting. The illness may include a high-pitched whoop sound when inhaling after a coughing fit. It's especially dangerous for infants or young children who have not been vaccinated before.
Parents should be more heightened when they start to realize that maybe their child's cough isn't going away, and then they need to be seen by a provider.
Early antibiotic treatment can reduce severity. The health department says that pregnant individuals and those who will be around infants should stay current on pertussis vaccinations.